Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So right now, gold is standing at 1669, and as we can see on the chart, the gold is struggling to maintain the support of 1659 to 1660 for quite some time. In short, there is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers here. Sellers are trying to push the market down and buyers are not ready to surrender. I was looking at an article on FX Trade. If you want, and you can also check it. Okay. Federal Reserve's Loretta Master firmly aligned with the hawkish rhetoric. US Treasury yields eased after Wall Street's opening, weighing on the US dollar. Gold USD bounces from a critical Fibonacci level, but further gains are unclear. This is the most important line from this article. Further gains are unclear. So we do not have any clear picture right now. So as a retail trader, right now your strategy should be to trade from level to level only. If you're a positional trader, swing trader, then you should take a pause. You should just watch the market, observe the market, because in this market situation, okay, we do not have a clear picture right now. So as a result, trading from level to level is the best decision, because after all, as a retail trader, capital protection is our first priority, and as we all know, we should never gamble with our hard-earned money. So as a result, try to follow the strategy that I'll be sharing today. Okay, so first of all, market is taking support around this level 1659 to 1660. So as long as gold is maintaining the support here, things are well and good. And as we all know that the overall global sentiment is bearish. It means that experts around the world are of the opinion that we will be seeing further downside on the chart of gold. Maybe we will see 1600, 1550 on the chart of gold very soon. So overall global sentiment is not positive. So in this case, okay, if gold breaks 1659 level, do not be surprised. Okay, do not be surprised if you see that market is breaking this support level with good amount of volume. It means that if you see the market is breaking the support with a big candle, it means that market has the participation of traders, market has volume, and you can take a sell below 1659 level. And to be honest, we do not have any immediate support on the chart of after 1659. So there can be a big fall of around 70 to 80 pips easily. And if we look at the chart, then the next support, okay, not a very big support, but next support is around 1644 to 1640. So at least we should get a profit of around 100 pips. But to be on the safer side, you can expect a profit of 70 to 80 pips if you see gold breaking the level and going down. So 1659 will be a very important level for all the traders. Okay, so if you take a sell position, still keep in mind that trading on breakdowns or breakouts is a little bit risky, so please follow proper risk management. See, after all, we are retail traders, we can just expect a profit. Okay, profit is not guaranteed, so please protect the hard-earned money, hard-earned capital, and please do the proper risk management. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So first of all, if gold breaks this particular level, you can take a sell position. And on the other hand, if we see gold going up from here, gold going up from the current market price, then we have resistance around 1680. But keep in mind, 1680 is not a very good resistance. We do not have any solid resistance on the chart of gold right now. So if the volatility is low, there is not much volatility in the market, but still if you see market going up, forming small green candles, try to understand my words here. If you see market going up, forming small green candles, it means that market is going up but does not have much volume. So if you see market going up without much volatility, then you can expect the market to reverse around 1680. So once you see market reaching 1680, market जब पहुंच जाएगा 1680 पे, observe the market and see how the market is doing. If you see that if your market is struggling near 1680, market is unable to go up, market is showing price rejection from above, shooting star kind of a pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that okay, 1680, on 1680 we have got sellers present around this level, and you can take a sell position with proper risk management. Okay, so with proper risk management you can take a sell position with 1680 if market reverses. Keep in mind 1680 is not a strong resistance level. It will only work if volatility is less, especially during US session. If you see market is forming green candle, big green candle, then obviously it will fail. Okay, so after all, you must always understand that no level is permanent in the market. So as a retail trader, it's our duty to observe the market before placing the order. After all, we are traders, not gamblers. And right now, if you have any buy position on the market, okay, if you have any buy position on the market, you can be on the trade, because right now we can see that market is trying to take support around 1660, and hopefully we will get some profit. Okay, but if you're looking for fresh entry, fresh position, fresh buy position in the market, then I will suggest that you can take a buy position right now, but you must be careful. Personally, I will suggest everyone to avoid. Okay, in case market comes to this level around 1661, 1662 again, 1661 to 1662 again, and if you find market bouncing, then that's a different chapter. Okay, but right now I will just suggest everyone to avoid. Okay, I think we can take a sell position here and we can take a sell position here. Okay, this is the current market situation. I don't know how market will react. One more thing I would like to add here, that is this is the economic calendar, and you can see FOMC minutes. So yes, there can be some volatility, so please be careful during the events. If possible, try to exit from the ongoing positions, and if you are not in a position to exit, then please use a bigger asset because there can be a huge volatility. So please be careful, and especially beginners and new traders, try to avoid trading during the session, because your capital may get double, but do not forget your capital may reduce to half also. Okay, and whatever you do, please follow strict risk management right now, because we do not have a clear picture. Okay, my analysis can be wrong as well. Always keep in mind, no trader is 100% accurate. Okay, that's a bitter reality of the market. Okay, bye bye, take care.